This is a quick update. I tried this in the same folders. There are a bunch of files. Some of them are HDR images, and some of them are non-HDR, and I'd never even looked at the non ones. This is just says it's a JPEG file, but it's a full scene. As you can see, I'm going to go all the way around. But since it's non-HDR, but the image is a much higher quality, and it's not out of focus. So we'll render this one and see what it looks like rendered. As you can see, the focus is much sharper here. If I bump the number of tiles way up, it would probably, well, it won't change the focus, I don't think, but it would basically it'll do is it changes that image of my object that here and there. Anyhow, okay, that's a quickie and this thing.